A university student sat at his desk, unable to read a single page. The book was open. The room was quiet. But his mind was everywhere except the words in front of him. So he reached for a small kitchen timer, shaped like a tomato, wound it to 25 minutes, and set it down. What happened next changed how he understood his own mind. The Stoics called it prosoche, which means attention to the self, not self-criticism, not self-improvement, simply watching the mind as it actually moves, not as you wish it would. The Gita teaches something close, that the untrained mind is like a lamp in the wind, flickering, restless, unable to hold its flame. The first act of wisdom across nearly every tradition is not to force the mind still. It is to notice that it moves. Francesco Cirillo was a student in Rome when he made this discovery. He was not a monk. He was not a philosopher. He was struggling, the way most of us struggle, with the gap between wanting to focus and actually focusing. The tomato-shaped timer on his kitchen counter became his teacher. He set it. He worked. When it rang, he stopped. He called each interval a Pomodoro, the Italian word for tomato. But the real discovery was not a productivity trick. It was this: the mind works in rhythms. Push it past its natural breath and it scatters. Work with its rhythm and it deepens. And in that simplicity, something ancient was rediscovered. 3 things live inside the story. First, limits are not failures. A timer that stops you is not an interruption. It is a boundary, and boundaries are where focus lives. Second, self-knowledge begins with honest observation. Francesco did not judge his wandering mind. He measured it. Buddhism calls this yasati, or mindfulness, seeing clearly without adding a story. Third, the body and mind are not separate. Rest is not laziness. It is the soil that lets concentration grow again. You have sat with a scattered mind. Most of us have. The question is not how to force it into stillness, but how to work with what is actually there. Try this today. Choose one task. Set a timer for 25 minutes. When the mind wanders, and it will, simply notice it, the way you notice a cloud crossing the sun. No judgment. Just return. When the timer rings, stop completely. Rest for 5 minutes. That rest is not a reward. It is part of the practice. If this brought you a moment of stillness, subscribe and walk this path with us. The tomato timer is still ticking somewhere on a desk in Rome. It never taught Francesco to stop his mind from wandering. It taught him to come home again and again and again.